Adding Klarna to Woocommerce is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome and enter your website link in the search bar. After that, you need to enter your username and password. Once you've entered these details, click on the login button. Afterward, the WordPress website dashboard will open. Now, you can see that there are a lot of buttons: home, site key, ports, media, pages, comments, landing pages, plugins, user tools, settings button, and many more. However, you specifically need to click on the plugin button. After that, click on the Add New button. When the window opens, locate the search bar and type Klarna into it. You'll need to wait for a few seconds as it loads the Klarna extension. Once it becomes visible, click on it. You'll see the Klarna checkout for Woocommerce plugin. Here, you should click on the Install button. It may take several seconds to install. Afterward, click on the Activate button. The plugin will be activated. Now, click on the Settings button. After that, click on the Payment button and enter all the necessary details. Finally, click on the Save Changes button. Klarna has now been added to Woocommerce, and it's done. This is how you can add Klarna to Woocommerce.